Welcome to Treehouse Life. Come with us as we journey across the USA and Canada to visit 3 of our rope bridges. From quiet homesteads to icy shorelines, each bridge tells a story of care, craftsmanship, and connection to nature. Our first stop, Cold Brook Farm in New Jersey. Here we built a 30-metre rope bridge for an organic, sustainable homestead. A bridge that connects not just land, but a way of living in harmony with nature.
All right, guys, this is Treehouse Life all the way across the pond in New Jersey. As you can see, we have got some beautiful weather. We have come for a service, just a routine checkup. The client wanted a bit more tension in the bridge.
Nature inspires us. Our designs blend seamlessly with the environment. Each bridge honors the trees and landscape it inhabits. We source sustainable woods and ropes, and our installations minimize impact so that your bridge feels like it's part of the forest.
It was amazing. You guys were really remarkable. First of all, you're crazy. You came here on the coldest week of the winter.
Yeah.
The job site was immaculate, and the whole process took I think 4 days, start to finish. It was really incredible. The materials arrived in advance, and then the guys got here and just basically worked 12 hours a day. It was a remarkable process. I would highly recommend you guys to anybody.
Thank you.
It was a great team, and the end product is gorgeous. I can't now imagine this place without it. And our neighbors discovered it. People say, I love your bridge. How did you know? Oh, me and my daughter and my dogs, we walked across it, blah, 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 blah. So it's really cool. And people definitely, they enjoy it.
As you can see now, it is as strong as it will ever be. We pulled back any extra slack that has gone back into the bridge with our chain ratchets. It's all knotted off back at the upright beams. It's still looking beautiful. Happy as ever with the job that we've done.
Every rope bridge is built and maintained with meticulous care. We use tested, certified materials and expert techniques to ensure durability. Our teams are world-class in their craft, blending traditional carpentry and innovative engineering so each bridge stands strong for generations.
We've braced these ropes back to bring the platforms up a bit further. We've taken out the weave on the left-hand side. We've actually taken out on the right-hand side, but we've just tightened up the right-hand side cable. Get the boards nice and flat again, and then we're going to bring all our weave rope back, reweave the entire bridge, and hopefully we have a happy client. I'm setting up with our chain ratchet and mule. Great bit of kit, these. So I'm going to attach our mule, which grips our cable. So we're going to tension it back right up into our turnbuckle, rig and screw, and you'll see how much slack has happened over these past few years. As I bring this up, every turn it brings it up near 100 mil. It's looking pretty good at the moment. I'll tweak it up on the rig and screw, and then we'll get it as good as we can on the cables. And then what we'll do is put the weave back through, and then you can take out any little discrepancies of level with the weave. So I think we're just going to bring this up as much as we can, let it all settle, and then we can give it a final tweak. And that's looking pretty good to me. Strengthened right up. Obviously, you're always going to get a bit of bounce in a rope bridge like this. From side to side, it's feeling even. Nice little bounce. And jobs are good, and so what we're going to do now is we're going to untie this bottom weave, pull these all the way back, take the rope all the way out, and then we're going to do a nice weave in between our cables and ropes, bring this down to about hip height.
We are client-orientated. From the first call to the final inspection, we listen to your wish list and guide you step by step. You get personal attention, clear communication, and peace of mind that you are our priority. After days on the road and long hours on site, it was time for the boys to take a well-earned break. New York City, alive, electric, and full of adventure. A couple of local beers, a hidden jazz club tucked down a side street, the sound of brass and rhythm filling the room. For a moment, the noise of the city replaced the hum of the tools. It's all part of the journey. Work hard, play hard, explore new spaces, and find inspiration in every corner. Because adventure doesn't just live in the forests and treetops, it's everywhere you choose to look for it. In the harsh Canadian winter, with temperatures plunging to -20 degrees, we built a 20-meter rope bridge out at sea, a vital link for a cement plant. Every decision, every connection, every rope and timber was carefully planned to meet the client's exact needs. Years later, that same bridge still stands strong, weathering snow, wind, and ice, a daily lifeline for the people who rely on it. This is what sets us apart. We understand our clients, we anticipate their challenges, and we deliver every time. As award-winning international rope bridge builders, we thrive in any environment, from dense forests to open waters. Every project is a promise, a combination of craftsmanship, efficiency, and reliability. When you work with us, you're not just getting a bridge, you're getting peace of mind, lasting quality, and results that inspire confidence. Time and again, we exceed expectations, delivering solutions that connect people, nature, and purpose, wherever the adventure calls. We deliver trust and joy. Our team, passionate and experienced, guarantee each rope bridge will stand strong season after season. We invite you to step onto one of our bridges and feel it yourself. With every swing of the rope and creak of the wood, you'll remember that we built this not just for today, but for generations to come. Every project reflects our care, craftsmanship, and passion, from the smallest detail to the greatest span. This is our craft, our joy, and our promise to bring people closer to nature, safely, beautifully, and with love in every rope and timber. If you're considering a new rope bridge, know that with us, you're in expert hands. After all, our mission is to craft these bridges to last a lifetime and beyond, so families can create those special memories year after year.